Okay, how come you're hugging the netbook so tightly?
Because the hard drive is here too. I need to protect it from you.
But I gave you all the pictures already.
You didn't.
Yes,
you
I did.
You gave me old pictures.
I gave you the new...
I'm not stupid. You gave me old pictures.
I gave you the new pictures, 100%.
I didn't see the new pictures.
Guaranteed.
When I was looking through pictures, I saw pictures from San Francisco and stuff from Nova Scotia. So if I give you the hard drive, then you won't give it back to me. This is my last chance to get the pictures.
The pictures will be on your laptop, guaranteed. I don't make many guarantees in life.
But when would you have put them on?
Between the time you asked me and the time right now?
But you didn't put it on while I was there?
No. Because you were busy doing stuff that you like to do.
So you were touching my computer without permission?
I just uploaded it there.
So I can play around with your netbook now too?
Yeah, anytime. Go ahead. You always read my journals.
Okay, I gonna exchange the hard drive for the journal.
So back then you thought 10 days was too long, yeah?
I thought 10 days was a lot. Not any videos down here anymore. Hey, come on. This is not fun anymore. Okay, what's on this one? I have no clue what's on this one. There'll be nothing bad on it. What are you doing?
What did you say?
Nothing.
Yes, you did. Yeah, you did.
I didn't say anything.
What did you say about next year?
I didn't say anything about next year.
Yeah, you did. Come on, spit it out.
I didn't say anything about next year.
So
You're just dreaming.
You said you wanted to go to Las Vegas.
I never said that.
And you said something about what I might think next year.
What?
Yeah, what did you say?
My memory is really bad. It doesn't work well.
Yes, it does. You have a superb memory.
No, it's like shutting down every time you point a camera at me.
Really?
Yes.
Oh.
So, were you trying to make an interview?
I like the last sentence that you said.
What was the last sentence that I said?
You said, if you still like me next year.
So?
It sounds like you have some doubts.
I can't predict the future.
I can't either. My motto is, the future is uncertain. Make no promises, nothing's for sure, nothing's for certain, and everything's for sale. My friend told me that. You can meet him one day.
Okay.
Anything else you want to ask?
No.
Okay, you can turn it off now.
No.
But you're not asking anything.
Yeah, but you always do the same to me.
You gotta keep the conversation going, otherwise.
You can tell me stuff now.
Yeah, you have to guide the discussion.
You can say why you don't like Las Vegas.
I don't like Las Vegas.
No.
And can you tell me how to pronounce this town over here where you picked me up at the train station?
Christkirchen.
Say it again.
Christkirchen.
And the name that we passed through going to the castle?
What castle?
Yesterday, that fortress.
Oh, the fortress. Pupping?
Okay, and the name where we live here?
Huh?
The name of the town where you live here?
You wanna know the village or you wanna know the name of this place?
This place.
Kolbing.
Can you tell me the longest word in Austrian?
I have no clue. You can just make really long words if you want to.
Yeah?
You just add nouns together and then you can make super long words.
Okay. Anything else to say? No? Okay, thanks a lot.
Means that we're still stuck here.
No, I was supposed to leave yesterday, or today at least. And you kind of created some plans to distract my journey.
I didn't plan it.
Yeah, you did.
It just happened that my nephew needed a babysitter. I couldn't drive you.
We should have started much earlier.
Yeah, but we didn't sleep in the tent really much. Because tents are not supposed to sleep. Because you stay up and do other things in tents.
Oh yeah?
Like paddling and stuff. I don't know, I just don't think tents are really that good for sleeping. Apparently it doesn't really work for us.
Just for us.
Yeah.
But I bought it for sleeping.
I know that it did, but it's just never doing its purpose.
How long did we sleep in the tent this time?
I don't know. But if we slept, but not very long.
30 minutes?
Maybe.
I'll
let you know.
What's your program tonight?
Cuddling.
Cuddling again?
No, not cuddling though.
Just normal? Okay. I'm glad I know exactly what's going to happen tonight.
Because if I try other cuddling, then you don't like it.
Yeah.
And I get upset.
You get upset?
Yeah. Because you don't like it.
No surprises tonight, right?
No surprises.
Okay. Thanks for letting me know in advance. Thanks for the ice cream too.
No problem.
How about making another...
Jason? Hey! I see it!
How about making another dinner show tonight?
What dinner show?
You be the chef and make us dinner, and we'll rate it.
What kind of dinner do you want?
Raw foodist dinner.
It doesn't look good because we don't have much stuff at home.
Oh really? What do we have?
We have zucchini. This is the last salad.
And the salad dressing?
Oh.
Oh, you almost swore. This time we put in some pumpkin seed oil. Only in Austria. Never seen it before.
Austrian pumpkin seed oil.
So Bianca is a professional salad dressing maker now. Making it every day since I was here, except for a few days.
Hallo? Das weiß ich jetzt nicht. Ich weiß es nicht, weil Natalie sagt, der Emilia soll schon auf Oli aufpassen, vielleicht ist die hingegangen. Ja? Okay. Tschüss.
Bigger pot?
I think so. It's just too, because otherwise I won't be able to put in lentils. And with a bigger pot.
What kind of soup is this?
Veggie bean soup.
And how do you make it?
I put in veggies and water.
Just toss it in, yeah?
Yeah.
No recipe.
No recipe, no.
But it's vegan for sure.
Yes.
Okay. Now the salad's finished, and we're gonna do a taste test along with these green olives from Budget Spar.
Jetzt hast du noch nie gegessen.
Nein.
Das erzähl mir nicht, dass du das erste Mal gegessen hast.
Na, vielleicht das zweite Mal, aber gut sind sie nicht.
Ach, mir schmeckt das voll.
Dir?
Ich kann da immer nicht aufhören davon, weil es mir so schmeckt. Ich kann doch richtig süchtig werden davon. Ja, mal nicht.
Nein.
So komisch.
Süchtig
Olli.
davon werden.
Der Winke, Winke. Oh, das ist schon immer
mach
schlecht
auch
drauf.
mal.
Winke,
Hast du jetzt
Winke.
von Jason Filmer?
Nein.
Ja, schau, gell? Stimmt.
Hilfe!
Das ist Jason seine Kamera.
Ja. Die Kamera kommt. Achtung! Ma, jetzt hat den Chaos abgekaut. So ein Schmutzfink. Alle dumme lächeln.
Wieder Bestellung.
Oh, Knolle. Knalle, Knalle, Knalle.
Ach ja, doch gar nicht Kassrecht.
Okay, dann nicht. So viel von mir. Pass auf, das Messer nicht so bei deinen Füßen.
Emilio, tu mal deine Hände da weg.
Wind und einzig lang und sonst da ist es wieder wahnsinnig warm und schöner wie bei uns und sonst das andere kurz.
So Scherzkeks, auch der Buben so, als in die Schweiz hat, dann weiß jeder, wo